Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SmartThings to IFTTT webhooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your SmartThings account. Navigate to the Automations tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus icon to create a new automation. Select Add Trigger to define the event that will start your automation. Choose Custom to set up a trigger based on a webhook. You will now need to set up IFTTT. Open the IFTTT app or website and log into your account. Click on Create to begin making a new applet. Select this to choose your trigger service. Search for and select webhooks. Tap on Receive a web request, enter an event name of your choice and click Create Event. After creating the trigger, click on that to choose your action service. Search for and select SmartThings. You may need to connect your SmartThings account if you haven't done so already. Choose the action you want SmartThings to take when the webhook is triggered. Once you have selected the action, click Create Action. Now, return to the IFTTT webhooks service and find the settings icon. Click on Documentation to view your unique webhook URL. Copy the URL, which will be used to connect SmartThings in IFTTT. Go back to the SmartThings app. In the automation you created earlier, paste the webhook URL in the appropriate field. Ensure all settings are correct, then click Save. Your automation is now set up to be triggered by IFTTT. Test the webhook to ensure it successfully activates the SmartThings action. If you encounter any issues, double-check the webhook URL and event names for accuracy. Once confirmed, your SmartThings and IFTTT integration is complete and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.